Hello everyone, I'm Valerie, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have been here, I'm so glad that you came back. I'm doing an unboxing today for Creative Notions Quilt Company, and they are located in Utah, and they have a bi-monthly subscription box. I think it's $87 a month. This is actually an October through December box, so it is a big box. If you're interested in seeing what's inside this, stick around. So this is the box. It's that big. It's pretty big, and it actually says one big box on it. So let's see what's in it. It has this piece of paper in the front that has a lot of writing on it, but it is the selection of items in this box. I will read that as we go through this. They're in Salina, Utah. Yes, it says on the back that they have a bi-monthly quilting subscription box and a new monthly subscription for pre-cut fabric. You can pick the size of your fabric cuts from back quarters to half yards to full yards. And there's also a new monthly laser cut wood kit subscription if you like that type of thing. So they have some changes coming in the beginning of the year. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is a card that says the art of quilting. It just talks about you're more than a crafter, you're a storyteller, a caretaker, a creator of the art that speaks directly to the heart. I like that. Your quilts hold memories, mark milestones, and above all, carry the warmth of your spirit. Keep quilting. It says more than that, but that was the gist of it. Okay, guys, guess what? We got some stabilizer bands. I literally just put this idea in my video titled The 10 Things That You Could Buy for a Sew It Store Quilter. So here we go again. This is stabilizer bands, and it says, keep your interfacing and stabilizer collection organized with these handy slap band labels. There's 5 in here, 1 labeled cut away, tear away, wash away, and 2 blank. That is very cool. All right, love that. This is a small project, and it says a nifty kitchen gadget keeper. Okay, so it's a bag holder. You can see that picture right there. And these are the fabrics in it. I love that black and white gingham. And it says in here, you'll appreciate the bag keeper designed to keep all your plastic grocery bags neatly in one place. Here's another small project. It says it's a bag holder, a fabric basket. So that looks interesting. It makes a 6.5 by 5.5 basket that you can, I don't understand how it sits. I'm not sure. Let me read what it says about that. The second kit is for crafting a fabric basket. You just need to provide the batting. We've included the pattern and buttons, and you'll likely want to make several of these to stay organized. So, okay, we will see about this. Now, those are the 2 small projects. You're probably wondering, well, how is this a big box? We're getting to it. All right, so this is a quilt that they've included all of the fabric for. Let me take this out. It says the second quilt, which is this carpenter, so there's 2 quilts in this box. This carpenter's quilt, this carpenter's star quilt is so pretty. This is a better picture of it. And these are the fabrics that they sent for it. So this is, it looks like, this is the blue. It's like a, almost looks, what do you call that? Batik or tie-dye. Here's another one. It's got kind of got pinwheels, and then it has like this brown paisley. So I think that looks like all of the piecing. Carpenter Star showcases beautiful fabrics to make a lovely wall hanging for any season. So this is a 34 by 34 wall hanging. That makes sense. So they gave you all the fabric for the top, and then you just have to finish it out. This next one is in a zipper pouch. I love these zipper pouches. They send these, and it makes me so happy. So this is called the Spinner's Quilt. And oh my gosh, look at that. That's fantastic. And let's see the fabric that they gave us. Yes, they gave us all the fabric, and this is for a 56 by 56. So it can be a throw or it can be a wall hanging, and they say that there's optional layouts where you could make a table runner or just a small wall hanging. So you can see all of that right there. You have your choice of what you want to make. That's nice. And they have all these Christmas beautiful like holly And here's the dark green holly. And here's a red poinsettia. That is very pretty. And then it has the background fabric, which is a lot of fabric, as you can see. Just a stack of fabric there. That's nice. That is a very, very nice project. Let's see what else it says in here. It says that we have, this is some fabric that they forgot in the last box that they were short. So I'll have to find that information. They gave us some gift tags. Whoops, which way am I holding? And they look like this. Mary & Brett gift tags. Those are always nice. They're white, so you can embellish them any way you like. They gave us the thread. Gutermann. This is polyester. I don't typically use polyester. I usually use cotton. Oh, yummy. They gave us mini caramel pretzels, which who won't like those? Those look super yummy. This is the pattern to finish out this gorgeous quilt from, you can see the quilt, we're almost at the end of it. So you can see that it's a whole scene. A bunny, it looks more like an Easter quilt. I love it. And then the very, very last little block, I wanted to finish this out. And so this is the final. They gave both in this box because it's a 2-month box. It was the wheelbarrow. So this is the entire quilt. So as you go through the year with them, they have a quilt that they are sending you the pattern for. Back Quarter Sew Sampler Box does the same thing. They give you one pattern block to the quilt. They do the same thing, and now I have a complete quilt, which would be great to make. And then the very last thing in this says Merry Christmas, and it's wrapped in tissue. Love the Creative Notions team. Vicki, Jeff, Jenny, and Lisa. Well, let's see. They told me in there that it's a Christmas tree ornament. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Do you see this? It's very rustic with the bead and the twine, and it's different on both sides, on each side. So, different quilt block. I love that. I've never seen it with something in between, so they've sandwiched 2 of these together. That is so pretty. And that is the box for Creative Notions. If you've never seen or subscribed to them, now you know what's in one of them. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and God bless you all.